The Foster MBA program experience has really been what I've hoped for and even more. So I travel from out of town, and I've really enjoyed the flexibility of being able to come in person and have the interactions and get to know my classmates, but also have the flexibility of a busy work and personal schedule.
As working full-time and being a mom and doing my TM MBA, there are many things you learn. One of the things that you do learn is time management. You become more disciplined with your time. Since my son was mostly in 4th grade during the time that I did the program, while he was doing his homework, I would sit next to him and do my homework. So that instills in them that learning doesn't stop at a certain age.
What I really needed was I needed the support of my family, which I had, fortunately. I needed to practice functioning on a little less sleep, which was all right. It's a mindset, you know. It's knowing that there's a finish line, so you just need to pace yourself. I felt like I unlocked a capacity that I didn't realize I had.
When I began looking at business school programs, I was really thinking about, do I want to spend 2 years away from my career, or do I want to continue working, continue expanding, continuing earning my income, as well as doing the education that I was aspiring to have?
I knew I always wanted to do an MBA and kind of broaden my horizons, break some more glass ceilings, and be a leading woman in technology. And I also didn't necessarily want to move across the country. So when I found the hybrid MBA program, it was such a perfect fit for me because it allowed me to stay near my family. It allowed me to continue with my day job, which I love. And it also really allowed me to get to know a really diverse set of folks in not just in the Seattle area, but beyond.